How to find a Starbucks store near you. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Starbucks on your device. Here, click on Find a Store at the top right. After you've clicked on Find a Store at the top right, it will lead you to this page. Here on the left side, enter your location or zip code. According to that, you'll find your location and it searches. After it's done searching, you'll find all the Starbucks store near you. You can simply click on one and see where it is located in the map as well on the right side. On the left side, you'll find where it exactly is and its opening and closing time and all the information. This is how to find a Starbucks store near you. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.